Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, this is Puma here. We came in 12 o'clock in 12:15. We're already getting loaded. They're slumping out here. Yeah, that's the loader guy. Yeah, this is what we do. Yeah, sometimes you try to get like 6 to 5 hours. Some people struggle to get some good sleep, but sometimes it is what it is. I got 5 hours sleep, and that was good enough. Going in the office to grab my ticket. Yeah. Let's hear what he says when I came in to grab my ticket.
Come in between the slabs.
I know you're on camera, right?
Same way we gotta go. Same way, go all the way around that slab. You come in between the slabs.
No ticket?
No tickets today, my friend. Having technical difficulties on the printer.
Alright. So, yeah, you had him. Some days are like that. You just come in to grab your ticket. Maybe at least that shows that we're still human being. We're not robot. Because at the time we see robot or whatever it is walking like a human being, I would be the first person to run, flee. Yeah, I just got loaded. Green light shows that you're loaded. Got my water out. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, right here at the job site. Got the job site now. Just telling you guys, let's see what we got going on. 2 trucks already at the pump. Let's get it. Yeah, I gotta put my light on so y'all can see what we're doing out here. Another truck already coming. You can see the truck coming. Yeah, let's just move around and see. This 194. 2 trucks and the pump truck. The big slab. The big old slab. He said this can go like 200 more than 250, and I believe that because the ticket says 250, but this is big. I think it will go to always to 300. Yeah, I just showing you guys what we do. This midnight job, doing what we do. But sometimes it's not easy to wake up. Your alarm will be ringing. You'll be like, what's that noise? And it will be your alarm telling you, come on, wake up, time to make money, because you gotta feed your family. Yeah, that's what we got this morning. Well, we still have a lot going on. If you're new to this channel, remember to follow, subscribe for more videos, follow for more videos.
Anybody coming into the job, I'm leaving.
We got some coming for you. Love you guys. Bye.